Solutions. Today we're going to demonstrate the rocker mode using Scanning Master 21. And right now I have our sample document up on the screen, and it's a map of the United States with a yellow background. What this is trying to emulate is an older document that used to be white and now it has turned yellow. So what we're trying to do is take that yellow age patina out and also strengthen the lines of the map so it basically looks better than the original. All right, so let's move that out of the way, and we're going to use Scanning Master 21 version 6.80. So let's go ahead and click the scan button. And you can see we have all these screens. What we want to do is the details window we want to make as large as possible. So we'll make it a little bigger. We'll migrate to the Options tab. And because we're going to stop the scan in midstream, we don't want the scanner to work normally fast. We want to slow it down some. So I'm going to put the scan speed down to low. Then we'll tab over to the Adjustments menu. And normally, scanning black and white grayscale will white level, black level. Basically, we'll change the white level to that 255 tells the scanner white is white. And what we're going to do is say, hey, white is really not white. It's more of a yellowish color. Then we're also going to play with the gamma, brightness, and contrast to see if we can get the lines a little clearer. All right. So in rocker mode, you notice down at the bottom here in the bottom right, rocker mode is grayed out. It's not active. In order to use rocker mode, we do a pre-scan to set up our parameters. And once we get that, then we can scan it for real. All right, I have the paper loaded, and I'm going to click pre-scan. Notice rocker mode is going to light up. And it's rewinding the paper now. And because I have it set to slow, it's taking its time. Okay, there we go. All right. As you can see, things are moving. It's scanning the paper over and over again. Let me show you what it's doing. I have a little video here of what's happening with the scanner. You can see it's feeding the paper in and out, in and out, in and out. And every time it reads it, it repaints the screen. Okay, so that's where we're getting these lines coming up and down. You can kind of see them going up and down. All right, so you can see yellow is turning to gray. So what we want to do is maybe takes that out. So we're going to change the white level values maybe up a little bit. And you can see the yellow has disappeared. And I can do it, adjust it to my heart's content to where I get the best output. We can modify the brightness slightly. I kind of like it a little darker. Okay, and the gamma. We're taking out some of those random dots. There we go. All right, and as you can tell, I'm going to scroll this down a little bit. Oh, notice this red square here. That's the part of the document we're scanning. So what I can do, if I want to see another part of the document, I can move the red box over. Notice we're in Wyoming now. I can move it over to Pennsylvania, and you'll see that Pennsylvania and New Hampshire is displayed. Okay, so what if I want to see down by Texas in the Panhandle? I'll turn it off rocker mode, let it scan a little bit, and I'll turn it back on. And now I can go over here and check my values. Okay, and when we're satisfied with our adjustments, we can go ahead and hit cancel. And now that we have our value set, and then we can hit scan again. If we like our values, we can save these values by pressing the save button. And then we could name our new configuration. That'll keep us from having to test every single time that we do a similar document. Okay, let's scan again. And again, it's scanning slow. And voila, we have a perfect document. That's all there is to it. One thing that you might want to do once you're done with the rocker mode is to set the scanning speed back to normal. That'll speed up your throughput. Have any questions, give us a call. Large Document Solutions, 866-338-4464.